Kia Rio JB 2005 to 2011. The global breakthrough, Kia Rio JB 2005 to 2011. The Kia Rio JB, released in 2005, marked a turning point for Kia. It moved away from the cheap and cheerful aesthetic of its predecessor, the DC, toward a more refined, European-influenced design. This generation solidified Kia's reputation for reliability and value, becoming a staple in the B segment worldwide. 1. Design and engineering. The architect, the design was led by Miklos Kovacs, working within Kia's global design network. The goal was to create a chunky and confident stance. This era predates the Peter Schreier revolution, yet the JB's clean lines were widely praised for being modern and functional. Shared platform. The JB shared its platform and many mechanical components with the Hyundai Accent, MIC. This synergy allowed for a more robust suspension and better engine options than previous Korean subcompacts. Production. Globally, the Rio JB was a massive success. While exact cumulative numbers are often grouped with Hyundai, Kia's Sohari plant and international facilities produced over 800,000 units of this generation for markets in Europe, North America, and Asia. 2. Technical highlights. Engines. The most common power plants were the 1.4 liters and 1.6 liters Alpha 2 petrol engines. However, the hidden gem was the 1.5 liters U-line Credi diesel with a variable geometry turbocharger, VGT, which delivered a surprising 110 horsepower and was a favorite in Europe for its punchy torque and fuel economy. Safety step up. It was one of the first budget cars to offer 6 airbags and ABS as standard or near standard in many regions, earning a respectable 4-star Euro NCAP rating. 3. Common faults and reliability. The Rio JB is generally considered a tank among small cars, but it has specific areas that require attention. Timing belt. Alpha engines, on the 1.4 and 1.6 petrol models. The timing belt is a critical maintenance item. If not replaced every 60,000 kilometers, or 4 years, it is prone to snapping, which causes terminal engine damage. Rear shock absorbers. Owners frequently reported a bouncy ride or clunking noises from the rear. The factory shocks were known to wear out prematurely, often by 50,000 kilometers. Power steering leaks. Some batches experienced slow leaks from the high-pressure power steering hoses. Recalls. A significant global recall was issued regarding the ABS control module. In some units, moisture could enter the module and cause an internal short circuit, posing a fire risk even when the vehicle was turned off. 4. Racing and pop culture. Ice racing and rally. In Canada and Russia, the Rio JB became a popular choice for ice racing and amateur rally due to its predictable front-wheel drive handling and low weight. The Eco-Dynamics Show. At the 2008 British International Motor Show, Kia used the Rio JB to launch its Eco-Dynamics sub-brand, showcasing one of the first mass-market stop-start (ISG) systems to improve city fuel economy. Top Gear appearance. While not a star in a reasonably priced car, that was the seed. The Rio was often cited by automotive journalists as the car that proved Korea had finally caught up to Japan in terms of build quality. 5. Owner sentiment. The good. It's surprisingly spacious inside. Owners often remark that the tall design makes it easier to get in and out of than a Ford Fiesta or Toyota Yaris. Its simplicity makes it very cheap to maintain. The bad. The 4-speed automatic is a dinosaur. Critics and owners alike noted that the automatic transmission made the car feel sluggish and increased fuel consumption compared to the manual. Verdict. The Kia Rio JB was the car that grew up. It offered a real car feel for a budget price and remains a highly sought-after used vehicle for its mechanical simplicity and durability.